If you think redesigning a room requires knocking down walls and hiring a contractor, it doesn't. I'm going to show you a very simple redo of our mudroom. Hey Credos, come on along and I'll show you the simple steps to redo the mudroom. So here we are in the newly refurbished mudroom. Check out the link to the blog in the description and it will have the specifications of all the items that I used, and there aren't very many. So the first thing I did was clear everything out and repaint the green walls to this beige, and then I spruced up the white. I didn't completely repaint it. What I did is I took those ugly big storage containers and I replaced them with these cute baskets. It took me a long time to find the baskets that I liked, but these were perfect. They fit in the shelf nicely and they have a little bit of color, which you know I like color. The second thing was to get these milk crates. I'll link to both of these items in the blog to use in the cubbies, which is just nice because you can see through them, but it contains things don't fall out, you can see everything up there. The next thing I did was just to organize and bring everything back in, hang everything back up. I hung a little picture that's representative of when we lived in Boca Raton, Florida. In the kitchenette, I had a cabinet full of posters from various performances that people in my family have done. And at the last minute, when I was trying to figure out what to do with this big blank wall, put up bulletin boards, put up something, I remembered that cabinet full of posters that we never see, we don't get to enjoy. So we pulled those out and just used sticky tack to stick them up to the wall. And we have room for more should we need them. But that just adds some fun, some memories, and some color in here. Thanks for watching. I'll have a few more room redos coming up. But for right now, I'm done. Follow Midlife Credo on Instagram and join the Midlife Tribe on Facebook, and go out and have a very organized week.